Thokozani, this is Kokotablamanzi. Insiza Kamathebula. Hi guys, sanibonani, ninjani. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. You guys, I've missed you so much. Nginikhumbulile. So yes guys, shout out to the people that are watching from Namibia, South Africa, Swaziland, Mozambique, the United States. Hi guys, how are you doing? Ninjani, niyaphila na, ni right emoyeni. What did I miss? Gendakalani etimpilweni tenu. Please leave me a comment down below. Ningitshele ukuthi what has been happening, what have you improved in your life, and then what are the things you are going to achieve the next month. The beginning of the new year. What are your goals? Like ini, like yendakalani kahle ntimiseleni. So yes guys, so this video is about birds. It's about tinyoni. So I wrote some things down so that I can stay on point and do not make this video long. So the first one is that birds are signs that your ancestors are with you. Tinyoni sometimes nawubona ngathi tiyakulandzelela kumbe titsandza ekhaya lakho kakhulu, or sometimes they wake you up in the morning. Sometimes they wake you up in the morning, tidlala emathayereni, like uthothi tikuvusa ngoma 5, sometimes ngoma 4 ekseni, and sometimes they come back later in the evening before you go to bed. Tiyadlala emathayereni and whatnot. Those are the signs that your ancestors are with you. So birds can also alert you that something good is about to happen in your life. So tinyoni tiyaku-alerta sometimes ukuthi yatini utibona ngokujabula empilweni yakho natifikile, like natidlala around wena, natikulandzelela kakhulu. Nakhona it depends on the colors of the birds that are following you and are visiting you. So tinyoni ti representa tindo letihle, tikhomba ukuthi ancestors akho anawe, and that something good is coming in your way. So sometimes natifikile, or sometimes ungatiphupha. Let me cut that. That's gonna be another video. Let me cut that. Okay, so number three is that birds can also be a sign that something bad is about to happen empilweni yakho. Sometimes natifikile uthothi tiyakhala kakhulu, and uthothi tihlangahlangene lapho akusinyoni le one ekhala. There are different kinds. So sometimes tiyaku-alerta ukuthi maybe kunento lesengenile ekhaya lakho, or something lebi iyeta, thandaza, phahla, or sophume endleleni, like you are being lazy concerning your spirituality, concerning your spiritual life. So birds also can also be a sign of that. And then number 4, seeing birds around you can also mean that your ancestors have a message for you. Yebo. Like nawubona tinyoni tihlala tisemva kwakho, or tihlala tisendlini yakho. Sometimes tiyangena nokungena tinyoni endlini yakho. That can mean ukuthi your ancestors bane message lebafuna ukukutshela yona, and then you must prepare yourself. You must do all the necessary things that will help you to understand the message or to receive that message. And then number 5 is that seeing birds, Okay, like seeing like strange birds around wena ne it's ngibeke so that stoy understand a song. Seeing strange birds around wena can also symbolize that there's something in your life that you need to change. There's something in your life that you need to change. Like there are some habits that we tend to allow in our lives that actually ruin our lives or our spiritual lives. So there are some certain things that you must focus on, and there are some certain things that you must forget. You must start some new habits. You must start some new habits in your life, because sophume endleleni or kunetindo labantu labadzala labangasatitsanzi lo tiendako. I hope ungiyavakala, you guys. And then number 6, seeing strange birds following you can also mean that there is someone keeping tabs on you. Yeah, but seeing strange birds following you can also mean that there's someone out there. Someone out there. It might be it might be your friend, it might be your mother, it might be your father, it might be your grandmother, it might be your family, it might be yatini, it might be that person that you've been always suspecting. Yabona. So now bona tinyoni always tiklandzelela, especially leti mnyama letiyana sangasitine timbiko leti is it orange or something la phakathi, but timnyama letinye timnyama tinemsila lomudze, so leto atikho right, you guys. Tinyoni letinjalo, like they're bad news. So now bona tinyoni letinjalo tiklandzelela, wena always landzelela inyoni, it might be your guardian angel, it might be your dlozi, it might be someone keeping a tab on you, especially if you are experiencing difficulties in your life. Something is not right. You need to go and consult. You need to pray. You need to pasha. Something is not right. Go and get some answers. Go and get rid of that bird. Go and get rid of that person. Not in a bad way. I'm saying that okay, what I'm saying is, when I'm saying that you must get rid of that person, I'm saying that you must cut the tabs that he or she is keeping on you. No, don't get me wrong. So guys, Latini, vugani, papamani, mnyaka so pelile, like whatever, I don't know, whatever mentality that you are stuck on, that you've been having, that you've been trying to get rid of, but you can't, like nyalo, it's time to cut ties with that. Start afresh, vugani papamani. So this is it for me, Gogo Tablamanzi, Insizwa Kamathebula. I love you guys so much. Nyantanza. Okay, so Thokozani, bye.